Hi, to turn on and off your POCO F6, as a first step, let me show you how to turn it off. And for that, we will need to find this power button on the right side of the phone and volume on buttons, which we need to press and hold at the same time, so this power off menu appears on the screen. And now simply swipe up to power off your phone, and just in a couple of seconds, it will be completely turned off. So now to turn it on, just simply press the power button only till you see the POCO logo appears on the screen. It will take about 3 seconds, and yeah, here it is. Now we can release the button and just wait a couple more seconds till it will turn on. And now it's on and we can use it again. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.